Good afternoon to one and all. It gives me immense pleasure to speak a few words about the great man who it's impossible by generations to believe that he actually walked on this planet. We are talking about none but the great son of India, Mahatma Gandhi. Today we are celebrating his 151st birth anniversary. Is the man relevant? What a beautiful question. Well, the relevance of an individual as a person living may not be there. But the important fact is the ideals for which the man stood. That is time independent. That is totally relevant to each one of us as an individual, as a society, as a nation, as an international body, and as a global phenomenon. His ideals of truth and justice and nonviolence, they find resonance even today in all aspects of life. The appreciation of the thought of his ideals in the form of what he devised as a needs based approach is all the more relevant in today's world, which is pandemic ridden. Corona has disrupted our lives like never before. We need to stand up as a unit. All the youngsters of today are the ones who will be having the cudgels, who will be leading the fight and the war against this pandemic. But we need to stand by certain principles, and that's why the man is so relevant. When we talk about the needs based approach, we talk about how we need to appreciate the needs of everybody in today's world. The doctors who are battling as the frontline warriors without any thought to their own safety, they need to be respected. It's a need based approach. They could have easily sat at their homes, but the need of the hour is to go out and help all of us to sail through this pandemic. Similarly, teachers who have put in so much of efforts, who have themselves become students to learn and unlearn and relearn the nuances of technology to which it was kind of an alien thought, they need to be also respected. The students who are missing out on the vibrancy of the school environment, they are sitting at home, also need to be respected. And that's how the students and the teachers are on a platform where the education is continuing as a sustained goal and the needs are being fulfilled. The teachers are making double efforts to reach out to every student so that education doesn't stop. Similarly, it's the prime duty of all my students, of all our students, to really put in their best on the online platform and work harder, because you are not there physically with us, but certainly you can also be one of the main cogwheels who can lead this uh, entire front as an individual, as a thinking person, as the youngster who has so much of energy, who has so much of hope for the future. An eye to eye makes the whole world blind, is what that man had said long time back. So true. An eye for eye can only lead us to confrontation and to conflict. We are not here to confront, we are not here to have a conflict. We need to go ahead as a civil society based on the structure of mutual coexistence. When Gandhi talks about the philosophy of satyagraha, we need to lead our lives with satya. We need to lead our lives based on the sound principles of sustainable development. He talks about Nai Talim. Nai Talim is what has come out as the new education policy. We need to equip ourselves with skills so that we are the rightful position holders in the coming tomorrow, in the coming future, so that we can sustain ourselves and this world and this planet. We need to respect each other. We need to plant trees. We need to take care of the environment. We need to take care of the water. There are so many things to be done as a student. And of course, need to take care of ourselves. It goes without saying, it goes without any sense of doubt that we need to respect the social distancing. We need to have the masks in public. We need to take care of all the precautions as enunciated by the government from time to time. Hopefully, and with firm conviction, I do believe that we will sail through this difficult times. But yes, we need to stand with each other. And the hope is you. The hope is the students. Let us all take a pledge on this 151st birth anniversary that we shall abide by all the principles which have stood firm and helped us to grow as a civil society. My best wishes to you. God bless.